Welcome to Staking 2.0 by XLauncher. This new model will encourage the community members to interact more while gaining more rewards together. Staking 2.0 from XLauncher will focus on two groups: farm owners and stakers. Let us show you in detail the new staking system. You can open a Tier 1 farm and name it as you like. For a Tier 1 farm, you will need 300,000 XLH, which you will get back over a 12 months period. Depending on the fill percentage of your farm during 1 year period, you can gain up to 105,000 XLH and other rewards. In a similar way, the Tier 2 farm will require 200,000 XLH to be created. Here, the maximum XLH reward from the farm itself will be 50,000 XLH, but more XLH can be gained from extra rewards like XStake or monthly XLH burned. The Tier 3 farms will require the lowest amount of XLH to be created, 100,000, but this does not mean the rewards are negligible. Besides 15,000 XLH, you have all other benefits, including being part of future rewards the team will offer. Every single farm will have a maximum capacity of 1 million XLH, regardless of its tier, but you can stake your XLH in as many farms as you want. The standard APR is 15%. If you own an SFT, you can stake it to increase your APR by 1.5%. This boost will apply to the entire wallet, not to a particular farm. The maximum amount of SFT staked is 10, which will increase your APR to 30%. With Stake 2.0, your staked XLH will be available to unstake at any time. In order to claim your unstaked XLH, you need to open the Unstake module from the menu. And also, keep in mind that a 10 days period must pass since you unstaked it until you can claim it. Similarly, to unstake an SFT, there will be a lock period, but this time is 60 days. Also, this new platform will give you the ability to sort the farms depending on different criteria and to hide or show only the farms you are interested in. We hope you will enjoy the new XLauncher staking platform.